Hello, this is Dr. Praveen Ramachandra. I'm senior endocrinologist working in DiaPlus Endocrinology Clinic in Newton, Bangalore, India. Please watch this video.
Welcome to this explainer. Today we're focusing on something absolutely vital, mastering your blood sugar. This special patient education explainer is brought to you directly by Dr. Praveen Ramachandra, senior endocrinologist at the DiaPlus Endocrinology Clinic in Yelahanka, Bangalore, India. We've designed this section to empower you with the exact knowledge you need to take total, confident control of your health right from the comfort of your own home.
Right off the bat, let's address the elephant in the room. There's a saying we love here, and it's absolutely crucial to remember. Your glucose meter is just a helpful guide for you and Dr. Praveen. That's it. It's definitely not a report card on your lifestyle, and it's certainly not there to make you feel guilty. It's simply a tool that gives us data so you and your medical team can make smart, informed decisions together.
So, here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Why monitor your blood sugar? 2. When and how to test. 3. Understanding your target numbers. 4. Managing low and high sugars. 5. Smart testing on a budget. And finally, 6. Fasting, sickness, and special events. All right, part 1, why monitor your blood sugar? It really is the foundation of your care. You'll often hear the medical term SMBG, which just stands for self-monitoring of blood glucose. Essentially, it means checking your own sugar at home using a tiny drop of blood and a meter. Now, why does this actually matter? Well, because it gives us a crucial snapshot of what's happening inside your body in real time. It lets you see exactly how your food choices, your daily activity, your stress levels, and your medicines are working right in that moment. It's a real game changer, because this simple act helps prevent long-term complications in your eyes, kidneys, and heart, and it lets Dr. Praveen safely adjust your treatment.
And this brings us to a really important point, especially for our Indian context. You might have seen ads for those fancy continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, which stick to your arm all day. And while they are pretty amazing technology, they're also super expensive. The truth is, a well-planned, simple finger prick strategy using a standard meter gives you almost all the same clinical benefits at a fraction of the cost. For most people, standard self-monitoring is the practical, cost-effective backbone of excellent diabetes care.
Moving on to section 2, when and how to test. Let's keep this simple and, most importantly, painless.
The steps are simple, but technique is absolutely everything. First off, always wash and dry your hands completely. Even a tiny speck of food or sugar on your fingers can give you a falsely high reading. Then pop a new test strip into the meter. Now, here's the real pro tip. Prick the side of your fingertip, not the very tip. Your fingertips have tons of nerve endings. Give them a break. By rotating which fingers you use and aiming for the side, along with using the lowest depth setting on your lancet, you're going to find that any initial discomfort fades away super quickly. Finally, just gently touch the edge of the strip to the blood drop.
Section 3, understanding your target numbers. You've got the data, but what are we actually aiming for?
Well, when you test is definitely not a guessing game. It's totally personalized based on expert Indian guidelines and your specific medication. If you're on multiple daily insulin injections, you'll naturally be testing more often, usually before meals and bedtime. If you're on tablets, you might test just once a day, rotating between fasting and post-meal times. And if you're managing through diet and exercise alone, occasional checks might be all you really need. The main takeaway here, your testing schedule is highly personalized to you.
So, what are those magic numbers? While targets are always individualized by Dr. Praveen, especially for the elderly or during pregnancy, most non-pregnant adults should aim for these ranges. Before meals, we love to see between 80 and 130 milligrams per deciliter. 2 hours after you start eating, we want it under 180. To keep it super simple, I want you to start thinking in colors. Green is good, you're right in the target zone. Red means it's high, and blue means you're running low.
Okay, section 4, managing low and high sugars. These are your emergency rules and actions.
I want you to literally burn this number into your brain, 15. If your sugar ever drops below 70, falling into that blue zone, or you suddenly feel shaky, sweaty, hungry, or confused, immediately think of the number 15.
This is the famous 15-gram rule for treating low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Here is exactly what you do. First, take 15 grams of fast-acting sugar. And no, unfortunately, this isn't a free pass to eat an entire slice of cake. We're talking about 3 to 4 teaspoons of regular sugar dissolved in water or a half glass of regular soda. Then, wait exactly 15 minutes and check your sugar again. If it's still low, repeat the process. Once you feel better and your numbers are back up, eat a small, longer-acting carb like a roti, a biscuit, or some fruit so you don't crash again.
This specific rule safely treats the low without causing your sugar to wildly spike an hour later.
On the flip side, the absolutely crucial point about high sugars, that red zone, is knowing when to ask for help. If your readings are consistently staying above 250 to 300 despite taking your usual medicines, contact the DiaPlus Clinic. Never, and I mean never, increase your insulin or tablet doses on your own without a written action plan from Dr. Praveen. And please, if you have very high sugars combined with feeling nauseous, vomiting, abdominal pain, or severe drowsiness, seek emergency care right away because that can be a very serious condition.
Section 5. Smart testing on a budget. We want you getting maximum value for every single strip.
We all know testing strips aren't exactly cheap, right? It can be a financial strain. That's where the strip budget plan comes in. Indian expert guidelines heavily emphasize that we shouldn't ask you to test randomly if it's just going to drain your wallet. Instead, Dr. Praveen might prescribe focused profile days, for instance, asking you to test heavily just 2 days a week, rather than a little bit every single day. This structured approach means you get the absolute maximum medical value out of every single strip. We don't want you wasting your hard-earned money repeating tests that don't actually change your clinical decisions.
Finally, Section 6, fasting, sickness, and special events. These are the absolute non-negotiables. Life happens, right? And in the Indian context, things like fasting and sickness heavily impact how your body handles sugar, making testing during these times absolutely non-negotiable. If you have a fever or an infection, your sugar can spike unexpectedly. If you're participating in prolonged religious fasts like Ramadan, your risk of a dangerous drop goes way up. You also have to prioritize testing when Dr. Praveen changes your doses, during pregnancy, or before you do any heavy driving or long travel. Even if you are on a really tight strip budget, these are the times you literally must invest in checking your numbers to stay safe.
So let's bring the whole shebang together. All of this testing, it's basically useless if we ignore the data. You need to keep a simple logbook, use an app, or honestly, even just keep a WhatsApp record of your readings. Note the date, the time, the number, and any special events, like went to a wedding or missed a dose. Bring this record to the DiaPlus Clinic at every single visit. Dr. Praveen is looking for patterns, not just single numbers, to perfectly tailor your care.
So I'm going to leave you with one final thought today. What will your numbers tell you tomorrow morning? Remember, that little meter is your personal guide, not your judge. Armed with this knowledge, you and Dr. Praveen Ramachandra can turn those simple daily readings into a lifetime of vibrant, empowered health. Don't let diabetes manage you. Use your numbers and manage it.